One of the easiest ways to engage people on your videos is to have a numbered list. So when you start your video off by saying, here's 5 tips on how you can grow your business using short form video content, or here's 3 tips that I learned from Gary Vee, then that is going to hook people's attention. By having a list is a great way to structure your content, and it's easy for the viewer to digest. So if they know that you're sharing 5 tips and you've already covered the first 3 tips in the first 47 seconds, then they are more inclined to watch the rest of your video to get those last 2 tips. When you create your video, remember to edit your video, because your video is not for you, it's for your viewer. The goal of your video is to connect with your viewer. And if you can connect with your viewer and tell them a story that they resonate with, then that is when your engagement is going to increase. So think about it this way. You take your time to research your topic, to record your video, to edit that video, to add music to that video. Because when you do that, you are giving your viewer an experience. And when the viewer has an experience with you and engages with your video, then your video has a better opportunity to be discovered by more people. When you're creating your content, remember that the goal of your video is to connect with your viewer and get them to engage with your content. Because when they engage with your content, it sends signals to the platform. Those signals tell the platform that your content is valuable. And when the platform receives these signals, it's going to recommend and share your content more on the platform for more people to discover you. One of the very first skills that you need to outsource is video editing. So think about how valuable your time is. If your clients are paying you $300 an hour or $500 an hour to work with them one-on-one, and your video is taking you an hour to edit, then that one video is costing you $300. So if you can outsource your editing to someone that's only going to charge you $100 or maybe $50 to edit that video, then you're saving yourself $200 in costs and you're buying back your time, because you can spend more time with your wife, your kids, or creating more content. When you're communicating with your audience, if you can connect with them and turn up with passion and energy and share with them a reason why they should be listening to you, then you can inspire them to take action. Just look at Tony Robbins. He turns up every day with energy and passion. He has millions of people that love him and are inspired by him because of how he turns up. So be more like Tony Robbins in your content. Lift your energy, raise your standards, inspire your audience to become a part of your community. You do not have to be someone that you're not. When you're creating content, a lot of people put a new face on. For me, these glasses help me see. When they create content, they think they need to become an influencer to create content. But you don't need to become an influencer. I want you to be yourself. I want you to be authentic. Because the people that are going to connect with you, they are going to love you for who you are. They will engage with you, they'll subscribe to you, they will resonate with your stories. So don't become some influencer to get 1 million views or 1 million followers. So just become you in your content. Show people who you are, what you do on weekends. Show them an insight into the real life of you, because they want to relate to you and connect with you. When you're creating content, ask people to engage in your content. Get them to hit the like button, get them to subscribe, get them to drop a comment down below if they like this video. Because when they engage, it sends signals to the platform that the content that you are delivering is valuable. When you're creating a video, ask people to like your video, to subscribe to your channel. But one of the biggest problems people do is they leave that to the end of their video. But what you should do is to inject that to the beginning of your video. Get people to smash the like button. Get people to subscribe to your channel, because one of the core goals with your channel is to increase engagement through likes and comments. And when the platform sees that engagement, it's going to start recommending your video so you can get more views on your video. So ask your audience to engage on your video at the beginning of your video rather than the end, because this is going to help you increase the engagement on your channel. One way to increase engagement on your video is to ask your audience a question earlier on in your video. Get people to comment down below what their opinion or perspective is, or the answer to the question that you are asking. And if you can get your video to be engaged on in the first 60 seconds, it's going to start sending signals to the platform that this video is valuable. And when the platform starts receiving these signals, it's going to push your video to get more eyeballs and more views on your videos. Pull your phone out of your pocket and start creating content today. Every video does not have to be posted, but you need to get into the habit of pulling out your phone and creating that content. Every video that you create is going to be better than the video that you created yesterday. So start getting in those reps of pulling out your phone and creating content. If you're brand new, create 7-10-second videos. The quality of the content of the video that you're creating is more important than the quality of the video. You do not need to have a $1,000 camera to get started. Simply pull out your phone and start creating content. One simple tip to start creating better content is to take that video that you've just recorded, download an app called CapCut, pay CapCut the $20 so it will automatically remove the ums and the ahs from your videos. Then post that video onto social media. You might get 100 views, you might get 1,000 views, you might get 10,000 views on that video. But start creating content, edit the video and post that video, because every day having a piece of content that gets people to discover you is going to help you build your brand.